In this video, you're going to learn how to fix your YouTube thumbnails, which are the video images that appear that show you a preview of the video. In this example, YouTubeIMG.com is being blocked, and it could be the router, the internet service provider, or the firewall. So what we're going to do is go into Settings, Network, select your Wi-Fi settings, the one you're connected to, and click on Advanced. We're going to look at the advanced settings, and you're going to write down some of this information. What we're trying to do here is we're going to switch over the primary DNS with a secondary DNS. Alright, so going to our Wi-Fi, we're going to make it forget this Wi-Fi so that we can reconfigure it. Once it's erased, we go to see all networks, we click on My Wi-Fi, and we start typing our information, but we click on Advanced. Then fast forwarding, we type all of our information as best we can. The IP address can be anything, but the gateway and the DNS addresses need to be in that order. Alright, once configured, we're going to recheck the settings to make sure they're in the proper order. And we can see that 8.8.8.8 is the first one on the list. Let's test this out. We can see the images are loading, but there are some that are missing. So there's one more step we need to do. We need to reset our app so that it forces the reload of the thumbnail images. And that is it. If you like this short tutorial, please stick around and subscribe. I will be posting more cool tips, tricks, and fixes for your daily tech needs. Thank you so much for watching.